Jessica Frost Ballast here with a video for Honeybee Stamps. Today I'm sharing a super quick and easy dimensional Valentine's Day card featuring Sealed with a Kiss. If you've been procrastinating on a card for tomorrow, let's get started. First, I place an A2 panel of white cardstock in my MISTI and prep it with my anti-static powder tool. I'm using two bright red shades of ink, and I start by inking Sealed with a Kiss with Poppy ink from Concord 9th. I stamp it twice to get a good impression. Next, I ink the edges of the lip print with a darker cranberry ink and use a baby wipe to soften any harsh edges before stamping it again. This gives a dark lip liner-like outline that starts to give the lips a little dimension. I ink the stamp again with Poppy and then add more cranberry around the edges and soften the edges with a baby wipe. I stamp it again to build up the color. I stamp it with Poppy a few more times to help blend the ink. Then I add cranberry to the edges one more time and then blend it out once more with Poppy. The repeated stampings really help blend the edges between the lighter and darker reds and make sure that the color is vibrant and bright. Once I'm done with my reds, I clean off my stamp thoroughly and ink it with embossing ink. I stamp the embossing ink over the colored image and then heat emboss it with clear embossing powder to give it a lot of shine. Then I place the panel back in my MISTI and stamp it again with embossing ink and heat emboss it a second time with clear embossing powder. I repeat the process a third time until my embossing is super shiny and raised for a dimensional effect. The layers of embossing powder almost give it a letterpress effect. Next, I stamp the sentiment from Kisses onto black cardstock and heat emboss it with gold embossing powder. Off camera, I die cut two of the Kisses layers with gold glitter cardstock and black cardstock. You could also use the new Smooch sentiment for this card, but I have a weird thing about the word smooch. It's just not my favorite, so I went with Kisses instead. To finish the card, I used ATG and liquid adhesive to adhere the sentiment around my lip print. It's super quick and simple, but vibrant, and the dimension in the lip print really gives it a high-end sophisticated finish. And that's it. Thanks so much for watching today, and I hope you enjoyed my video. Until next time, have a wonderful day and happy crafting. Bye!